Hey guys! In this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best 3D printer review in 2022. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. Savo SV02 3D Printer. This Savo 3D printer with a full metal body, stable and durable, 95% pre-assembled already, just need to install the gantry, filament holder and the touch screen effortlessly and get ready within 510 minutes. It also supports 2-color printing, switch between 2 filaments when printing, and extrude through a nozzle, provides high speed and stable print quality. This third printer comes with 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen color display, the first third printer equipped with the port rail screen in the market. This 3D printer providing a superior gripping surface that negates the need for glue or hairspray, while also making prints pop off with ease once they have cooled to room temperature. This SV02 3D printer can be used with laser kits to expand the laser engraving function. Please purchase it according to your needs. Supports engraving with a wide variety of materials like wood, plastic, leather, PVC, paper, resin, etc. It also removable glass plate, resume printing function, dual Z-axis design, support BL Touch add-on, support TF card and USB online printing. Number 4. Endo 3 Pro 3D Printer. This 3D printer provides all-round protection build plate and ensure consistent temperature throughout the build surface. Easy to remove the printing models after cooling. The printer is shielded by its power supply from voltage spikes and power outages. If electrical power is lost, prints can be resumed from the last layer, saving time and reducing waste. The Endo 3D printer heated bed can reach temperature of 110 degrees Celsius in just 5 minutes, which makes this printer model more suitable for many different types of filaments. It also high-precision CNC machining techniques used for all metal brackets and mounts, guarantee precise positioning, and an all-around more stable structure. All new, ergonomically designed, larger bed leveling nuts, making leveling the bed easier, preciser. This easy-to-set-up kit comes partially assembled, allowing you to learn about the basic construction of 3D printers as you finish putting it together. A fun STEM educational experience in mechanical engineering and electronics. Number 3. Anycubic Mega S 3D Printer. The Anycubic Vaporous open frame design lets you whip up large third printer and provide automatic print bed leveling to make the entire process much easier. This Mega S 3D printer can resume printing after power outage or any other unexpected stoppage. One click to resume from the last recorded position when suffering power outages. And the sensor pauses prints and sets off an alarm when you run out of filament, which greatly saves time and cost. Printing volume reaches 8.27 by 8.27 by 8.07 inches. Patented 3D printer printing platform, surface coated with patented microporous coating, with excellent adhesion when printing, and then effortlessly falls off the bed when it cools to room temp at the end of the print. It also double rod motor is more durable than the traditional clutch motor, does not lose steps, has high precision, and more model details can be restored. Number 2. voxlab Aquila 3D Printer. This is best budget 3D printer for beginners. The Aquila 3D printer equipped with carbon crystal silicon glass plate and super quiet printing designing. The printing model will not easily become warped, and the printing sounds is below 50 decibels. This Aquila is a straightforward BD printer based on open source technology. It allows for flexible upgrades and various modifications. Meanwhile, you are able to choose your favorite software as Voxel Print, Cura and more. It also Aquila can resume printing after power outage or any other unexpected stoppage, save time and filaments. The machine can automatically resume printing when power comes on. It won't print from scratch once meeting filament breakage, saving time and avoiding waste. Number 1. GADGET ZONE 3D Printer. This 3D printer, adopting open source control board, delivers mixed color objects and greatly enriches your 3D printing life, keeping the good performance of its predecessor A10M. It aims to provide users with quality printout and satisfactory printing experience. This GADGET 3D printer 2 extruder module and 2-in-1 out hot end, which deliver 4 types of printing: single color, double color, graded color, and mixed color, which will greatly enrich your 3D printing experience. A 10M 3D printer come with filament detector and break resuming capacity. If the electrical power is off, prints can be resumed from the last layer, save your time and reducing the waste. It also using Marlin firmware, stable and easy to operate. It will support auto leveling function. All what you need to do is to order a 3D touch, connect the sensor with A10M, update the firmware and then simply debug.